Hey guys, it's Cool Tracker, and today I'm gonna do a video on my Rubik's Cube collection. And you probably know that I can solve like an amount of Rubik's Cubes. I'm just saying an amount because a reason. So yeah, I'll just start right now. So, this is my first ever Rubik's Cube. The normal one, you know, seriously. Is it this one? Just... Oh, so it doesn't work on the camera? Does it work that way? No, but it's just a normal Rubik's Cube. You don't need to know much. My second Rubik's Cube, I think, just a 2x2. A normal one. Not much again. Now, my first ever speed cube. This guy. Instead of red, it had a pink, but I'm fine with it. And well, it's pretty good. And I had a tiny version of this. It just came with it, but can't find it, so yeah. Another speed cube, just a normal 3x3. It has the carbon stuff, and on my 3x3 tutorial, this is the cube I used. So yeah. Same kind of thing, a 2x2, and I used it on the tutorial. So, just a normal carbon stuff. 2x2, that's what you call the black stuff, that's why I call it carbon. Now, for any of you non-cubers, don't call this a triangle cube, it's a pyramid, okay? That's just a little tip so you don't get embarrassed. But yeah, carbon, again, I just like the carbon, and just a normal pyramid. I can solve this, so I might actually make a tutorial on how to solve a pyramid later. Okay, so next one. Now this is a gear cube. It's way easier to solve than you would think, even easier than a 3x3. And haven't done a tutorial on it yet. I'm realizing that I haven't done a tutorial on a lot of these, so might do that later, just like the pyramids. Next one. So, non-cubers again. This is a Mega Minx. Don't call it anything else, it's just a Mega Minx. And carbon, just love the carbon on my cubes, and almost just fell. Oh man. Anyway, don't know how to solve it, so maybe if I do know how to solve it, if I watch like a tutorial on YouTube, because that's how you learn how to solve cubes. I might make a tutorial on it as well, but haven't. Now the mirror cube. My dad knows how to solve this. Tried to teach me ages ago. Didn't go well. He said that it was like a 3x3, but I just didn't do it very well. And this is what's left of it. It's not broken or anything, just haven't solved it. So yeah, next one. By the way, this is a shape-shifting cube. That's why it's so like in a weird shape. So yeah. Now, a lot of the other ones where I just showed you were in like a present what my parents gave to me, just randomly, and it was amazing. But this one was a bit later. Don't know how to solve it, don't even know what cube it is, but I have solved this part, and I was pretty proud of myself. Now, this one I got for Christmas. It's just like a mirror cube except for it has colours. And this side, wait no, it's not done, but my dad has been trying to solve this. For some reason hasn't, even though he can solve the mirror cube, but yeah, that's my last cube actually, so hope you enjoyed, and I need to go because my battery's running out. Bye. Wait, hold on. Just where is it? Bye.